Hi. So, are you ready for a blind date?
Yes. Hello there.
Hi.
So I wrote down a couple of things on what you like.
I memorized everything.
That's
I
nice.
know everything about you.
That's nice. So I see you like comic books.
Yes. Cyborg on your They're amazing.
Okay. I also see you like Star Trek.
Yes. It's perfect.
And Capcom.
Yes. Yes, I like Capcom. Mega Man is so fun.
Alrighty then. Alrighty then. And
So we're steady now, right?
what?
We're steady. Is it just me or do you look? I don't like Asians. You look Asian.
Oh, I do now.
Yeah, do you like Super Junior? Cause you look like Kyushin. Wait, don't leave me.